नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज आप लोगों से डिस्कस करेंगे रशिया शेयर के बारे में। और रशिया शेयर लोअर एट क्लोज ऑफ ट्रेड MOEX रशिया इंडेक्स अनचेंज। Investing.com Russia equity were lower at the close on Saturday as in the sector lead share. At the close in Moscow, the MOEX Russia index unchanged 0.00%, the biggest gainer of the session, and the MOEX Russia index where AFX Systema PJSC makes AFKS which unchanged 0.00% or 0.00 points to trade at 12.94 at the close. Aeroflot PJSC makes FFLT unchanged 0.00% or 0.00 points to in at 57.25. And ROSSETI PJSE makes fees was unchanged 0.00% or 0.00 points to 0.08 in late trade. Biggest loser include AFK, Saitama PJSS makes AFKS which unchanged 0.00% or 0.00 points to trade at 12.94 in late trade. Aeroflot PJSC makes AFLT unchanged 0.00% or 0.00 points to in at 57.25, and ROSSETI PJSC makes FWS 0.00% or 0.00 points to 0.08. Falling stock outnumbered advancing once by 0 to 0 on the Moscow Stock Exchange. The Russian Volatility Index RVI, which measures the implied volatility of MAX Russia Index option, was unchanged 0.00% to 23.74, a new 52-week low. Gold future for February delivery was up 0.90% or 40.20 to $4,590 a troy once. Elsewhere in the commodity trading, crude oil for delivery in February rose 2.3% or 1.36 to hit 59.12 a barrel, while the March Brent oil contracts rose 2.3% or 1.35 to trade at 63.34 a barrel. Or USD RUB was down 1.39% to 79.00, while EUR RUB fell 1.57% to 91.94. The US dollar index future was up 0.20 at 98.89.